This video is to demonstrate how to edit a window film pattern in the Induction Cut software. Once you're logged into the software, under the parts search box you can select window film and then proceed to choose your year, make, and model of vehicle that you would like to cut. When you've selected the subcategory, all of the options will load in the center of the screen. To open a particular pattern, simply click on the part number and a new window will appear where all the patterns will be loaded. If you would like to edit one of these patterns, simply select it. It can be helpful to drag it to a part of the screen where you have easy access to the entire edges of the pattern. In order to make an adjustment in the pattern, you will then go to Edit Mode, which is in the upper left corner of the screen. And when activated, you'll see it creates editable nodes around the entire edge of the pattern. These nodes are adjustment points that you can grab and adjust to make a change along the edge of any pattern. Now, if, for example, you would like to extend an entire edge or reduce an entire edge, you can do that by selecting a group of nodes. For example, if I want to extend the back edge of the window film pattern, in this case, I can put a box around all of the nodes in a given area, and you'll see they'll be highlighted. In order to extend an entire edge, I'll want to put a box around all of the nodes in that area. Once they're highlighted, I can use the arrow keys on the keyboard to make the adjustment. So by clicking my right arrow key, you'll see I'm extending the back edge of the pattern out. You'll see a shadow where the original pattern was, and then you can see where it has been extended to by comparison. If that is acceptable, you can get out of edit mode by closing the box in the left side of your screen. Now, if you would like to cut this pattern, you can now select Plot Selected. Once that icon has been clicked, the production manager will appear, and you can verify everything is accurate in this screen, including your plotter and the roll size that you will need. Once the film has been loaded in your plotter and it is ready, you can then select Plot and the job will be sent to your plotter. So this is how you can edit a window film pattern in the Induction Cut software.